So you've got your feedback from your assignment. How can you read this feedback to get the most out of it for your next assignment? It can be a really good idea to reflect on the feedback that you've been given. Any reflection has 3 stages, and the first of those is a descriptive stage. So what does your feedback say? Go and take a look at it, read it through, maybe read it through again. Is there anything you don't understand? Do you need to go back to your tutor and ask for clarification on anything? You might want to take your feedback and summarise it in your own words for your own notes. The second stage of reflection is thinking about it. So have a think about that feedback you've received and ask yourself some critical questions. How does it make you feel? Are you pleased or disappointed? Do you agree with what your tutor said? Again, make some notes if you find that helpful so that you can refer back to them later. The third part of reflection is something that's future focused, that's looking forward. So again, ask yourself these questions. What can I use from this feedback for my next assignment? What might I do differently? What might I do the same? Make sure that you've got something that focuses you towards what you're going to do next time. If your reflection has identified some areas that you want to work on, you might want to check out our skills guides. We've got skills guides on a wide range of topics, and you can access them using the link in the description below. In conclusion, it can be really useful to look at your feedback and do some thinking about it. Remember those 3 elements. What does it say? What do I think about that? And how can I apply that to my future assignment?